feel like I'm losing my mind.
Hello everyone and welcome to our grammar series, Mastering Grammar for ESL Students. In this series, we will go over the fundamentals of English grammar to help you improve your writing and communication skills. So be sure to not miss a single video and catch every lesson. Also, remember to subscribe so I can keep making educational videos like this for you and so that you can stay up to date. In this first video, we are going to talk about parts of speech. Parts of speech are the different types of words that we use to create sentences. There are 8 main parts of speech. The first part of speech are nouns. Nouns are naming words that represent people, places, things, or ideas. Some examples are a cat, a dog, a house, a book, or happiness. The second part of speech are pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. There are many different types of pronouns, but for today let's discuss 2. First are personal pronouns. An example is I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. They are used in replacement of names for people. I, you, he, one boy, one girl, she, one animal or object, it, 2 people with me, we, 2 other people, they. The second type of pronoun that we will discuss today are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that tell about who does something belong to. For example, mine, yours, one boy, his, one girl, hers, one animal or object, its, 2 people, including me, our, 2 other people, it's, theirs. The third part of speech are verbs. Verbs are words that describe actions or states of being. Some examples are run, jump, eat, sleep, be, and have. The fourth part of speech are adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Some examples are happy, sad, big, small, any color, like blue or green. Next are adverbs. Adverbs are very similar to adjectives, except they describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often end with letters ly. Some examples are quickly, slowly, happily, sadly, loudly, and quietly. The sixth part of speech are prepositions. Prepositions are words that show relationship between a noun, a pronoun, and other words in a sentence. We use it to give direction. An example is on, under, over, between, behind. Those are some examples of prepositions of place. We also talk about prepositions of time, in, on, and at, to tell about different times. Next are conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect clauses or sentences together. So it joins the first part of a sentence to a second part of a sentence, using words like and, or, but, because, so, yet, however, therefore. Those are some examples of conjunctions. The 8th part of speech are interjections. Interjections are words that express strong emotion. Some examples are wow, oops, oh no, yay, or yikes. These are often used with exclamation marks. You may be wondering about articles. Are articles a part of speech? Well, yes, they are. There are two types of articles in English. There are indefinite articles, a and an, and the definite article, the. An indefinite article is used to refer to general or non-specific things. For example, I would like a drink. We used a to talk about any drink. While definite articles are used to refer to specific things. An example, I would like the drink you are holding in your hand. We notice that the word the is used to refer to a specific thing, so we consider it a definite article. Those are the 8 main parts of speech and articles. Knowing how to use these parts of speech correctly is essential for effective communication in English. In our next video, we will talk about common grammatical errors and how to avoid them. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and until next time.